welcome to Anira'S channel. Today's we're gonna make ABC juice. This is the ingredients we're gonna use. Take 2 apples, some carrots, 3 medium-sized beetroot, and ginger, and 2 lemons. Guys, take the ingredient as per your requirement because here I'm gonna make 4 glasses of juice. So put all the things into the grinder, mix it well. If you need, add a little bit of water to get a smooth paste. Guys, it's a very healthy juice. You can have it once a week as a detox juice. Guys, use a strainer to get the juice consistency. You can do the way as I'm showing in the video. Use a spoon and just drain the way I'm doing it here. As we have added beetroot and carrots, which has a lot of fiber, you can store the rest of the thing in a bowl and use it to make chapatis, roti, or to make colorful dosas. Now you can pour the juice into your favorite glasses like this. The juice is red in color. Now add in lemon for extra taste. Add in some pepper powder, crushed pepper powder, freshly crushed. It should be freshly crushed. Stir and add little pinch of salt as per your taste. So our final product is ready. Make sure you try this healthy recipe and subscribe to Anira'S channel.